Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to have two simultaneous windows open side by side, one being Zoom and the other your Google Chrome browser, so that you can follow along with what's happening both in the Zoom meeting and also work in Google Chrome. So here you can see we're starting in Zoom, which is normally where you'll start. And there are two ways to minimize this window. So the first one is to come up to this right-hand corner, and you can see that it says exit full screen. I can just click that and it exits the full screen, right? If I want to maximize, it does the same. The other option we have is to take our cursor and scroll all the way to the top, and our menu shows up. And so from here, if you're using a Mac, you'll just click this little green button. And if you're using a PC, I believe it is a yellow minus button that is the minimize. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, right? And make sure that my Zoom window is where I want it, right? And so here it's pretty good. It's right in the corner, but if it were bigger than I wanted, like let's say it looked like this, then I would move my cursor to the lower left-hand corner until that double arrow appeared. From there, if you're using a laptop trackpad, then you apply pressure on the left side of your trackpad with your index finger, and then you take your middle finger and slide in the direction that you want it to go, right? Until it is my desired size, and that's as small as I can make it. If you're using a mouse, it's the same process, but you'll left click, you'll leave that pressure there with your index finger, and then you'll move your mouse in the direction that you want it to go. So here we have my Zoom window. It's pretty good where I want it, but let's say it opened right in the middle, and I want to move it up to the corner so that I can have my windows side by side. I'm going to come to the very top of my Zoom window. Again, like I did before, I'm going to click on the left side of my trackpad if I'm using a laptop, leave that index finger pressured, and with my middle finger, I'm going to slide my image right, or my window, excuse me, right to the upper right-hand corner, and then let go. Same process if you're using a mouse. You just left click and then move your mouse in the direction that you want the window to go. So now how do I open my Google Chrome window, right? So down here you can see is my menu, and I'm going to click on my Google Chrome icon, and here it is. But we have the same problem that we had before where it takes up the whole screen. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did before. I'm going to move my cursor up into the corner, the upper left-hand corner, until my menu appears. I'm going to hit my minimize button, and you can see it's minimized, right? And that actually looks pretty good. If I wanted to adjust the size of my Google browser, I would come right back down to the corner like I did with my Zoom window, and I can adjust the size until it's how I want it, right? By applying pressure on the trackpad or on left clicking on the mouse and moving with my index finger or moving the mouse. And it's as simple as that.